Welcome back to A to Z classes. Today we are going to explore the basic of the Excel. Let's quickly open the Excel, go to the run, type Excel, open. Let me zoom it. Okay, let go to start, type run. Yeah, open, open, type Excel and click OK. Now you have to see the given spreadsheet. I'm taking that. So quickly you see that both italic and underline, double underline formats in a font menu. Yeah, you have to see that how tab you quickly do the formattings like this. You have the option no border options. You have quick paint options and text options, color options. Now we have to learn this format paint, which is used so many times. So this helps to copy the format, which type of format we are using in the cell. So uh, just click on that and paste. This is the, do you see that this is the copy? When you control C and paste on the other cell, then the replicate value will be there. And you see that the cut option, which is cut and paste. Shortcut is control C. Now that you have see that we are going to alignment options. There is the clockwise, anti-clockwise, vertical text formats there. Rotate up, rotate text down, which is used, not commonly used, but when it is used, so that's why I'm here to tell you. So yes, we are back. Yeah, let me fix. Yeah, now I'm showing that you the option is given in the string to fit it. Let me tell you that it is work only when the text it is in a vertical form. Now the text is in written in a horizontal format, so that's why it is not working. So yes, now the web text work. I'm showing that now. Firstly, I'm showing that the font size is somehow increase and then decrease because the it works as the cell boundaries are capable to do such effects because the cell boundaries never uh, wave at the given text out of the border. Yes, so here we are back with number format. So yeah, let's elaborate this. Yeah, insert the tab. Yeah, now you see the text wrap. This is the text wrap. The text is under the bound cell boundaries. Now you have see the merge and center. Merge and center helps to combine two cells in a one and center it automatically. Now let me, yeah, now we are going to tell you about the text types and numeric type. You are see that there's number format and a text format, and in the text there is a slight space in uh, front in the right side, and in the text format you see the left some space given. So that is why it is happening. The Now I'm telling you, in text type you can see that the see the difference of, yeah, let me, Now, numeric type can see the difference of space. Yes, you clearly see the difference in the left side, and it helps us to identify the type of content in Excel. So you can clearly see the type 2, it is text, which is from a space have from the right, and in mat type you have a space from the left. So you clearly identify what is the text type and what is the numeric type. So hope we are back with the next video basics, and here we now finish our part 1. um if there is any inquiry, I'm covering in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.